Here are the two schools for tonight's show, Manchester High and Cornwall College. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. From Manchester High, we have Tristan Spencer, Ashley Silvera, Ruth Ann Blair, and team captain Kajon Brown. And from Cornwall College, we have team captain Darian Street, Rashon Stewart, Uchenna Njoku, and Joel Barrett. Hello and welcome to this 15th match in round 2 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu and your judges are Dr. James Smith for the sciences and Teresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Cornwall College won and decided to go first. So we begin. This section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's have that time on the clock, please. Principles of business. Cornwall College. What do you call an enterprise that manages production or delivery of services in several countries?
Multinational organization.
Judges, multinational corporation is accepted. Principles of business for Manchester High School. What term is used to describe the concealment by persons of the origins of illegally obtained money?
Money laundering. Money laundering.
That's right. International affairs, a visual clue for Cornwall College. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Ian Khama.
President of Ghana. Correct. International affairs for Manchester. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Philemon Young.
Incorrect. Muhammadu Buhari, President of Nigeria. Biology for Cornwall College. In which type of cell division is the number of chromosomes halved, leading to the creation of 4 haploid cells?
Meiosis.
Correct. Biology for Manchester. What is the 2-word descriptive term for the structure of the DNA molecule?
Double helix.
That's right. Music and audio clue for Cornwall College. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer.
I can't afford a Ferrari, but that don't mean I can't get you.
CeeLo Green.
Forget you. Correct. Music for Manchester. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer.
Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know.
Vanilla Ice.
Correct. Ice Ice Baby. English language for Cornwall. What is the superlative form of the word noble?
Most noble. Noblest.
Or most noble. Correct. English language for Manchester. What is the comparative form of the word much?
More.
That's right. Theatre and cinema, a visual for Cornwall College. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Letitia Wright.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for Manchester. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Danai Gurira.
Correct. General knowledge for Cornwall. Mahatma Gandhi was a nationalist leader in which country?
India.
That's right. General knowledge for Manchester. Benito Mussolini was said to be the founder of which movement in Italy?
Fascism.
Is correct. Sport, a visual clue for Cornwall. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Oh, God. It's a boxer. No. It starts with F.
That would be Frank Worrell.
No.
Incorrect. Sugar Ray Leonard. Sport for Manchester. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
George Foreman.
Incorrect. Thomas Hearns, a champion boxer. Geography for Cornwall. The parish St. Thomas in Jamaica is bordered by which parish to its north?
Portland.
That's right. Geography for Manchester. Hanover lies to the west of which parish in Jamaica?
St. James.
That's right. Chemistry for Cornwall. What is the name for the emergence of an insoluble solid from solution during a chemical reaction?
Precipitation.
That's right. Chemistry for Manchester. What is the process of crystal formation via mechanisms of crystal growth called?
Get too hard.
word?
Seeding.
Crystallization or solidification. Mathematics for Cornwall. A man invested $20,000 at a rate of 3% simple interest. How much interest did he earn over 5 years?
This is one of $300.
$3,000. Incorrect. Mathematics for Manchester. A girl invested $60,000 at a rate of 4% simple interest. How much interest did she earn over 6 months?
$1,200.
Very good. History for Cornwall. What was the name of the 14th President of the United States?
Two before Abraham Lincoln. Two before.
Woodrow Wilson.
Incorrect. Franklin Pierce. History for Manchester. What was the name of the 12th President of the United States?
Zachary Taylor. Zachary Taylor.
Very good. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Manchester High and Cornwall College neck and neck on 9 points. It's time now for the Digicel Viewer's Question. Our viewer's question comes from the category International Affairs. The question is, the Five Star Movement is a political party in which European country? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Speed Challenge. School's Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.